Here are 5 ways you can immediately start making more sales in your online store. Now, we all know the struggle of getting consistent sales to your Shopify store is a challenge, but all good. I got you. Here's what you need to do. Email marketing is by far the best, highest return, and cheapest way to digital market today. So I'm going to show you 5 essential automated flows that you must have in your online store. Number 1, you need a welcome series. So your welcome series is when people first sign up to your mailing list. You need to welcome them warmly, some offers, some discounts, something that they get in exchange for signing up. Second, have you ever had visitors who are browsing a product but then they just ghosted you on your store? This is where your browse abandonment comes in. It reminds them of what they were looking at, that they were considering, that they love. Number 3, your abandoned checkout. They were so close and they started checking out, but then they dipped. Send them a little nudge and remind them to complete their purchase. Number 4, after the sale, why not sell them something else? Why not sell them something more? They already love your product. This is where the post-purchase, upsell, or cross-sell comes, where you can sell them another product, a complementary product, or just anything else for that matter. So you need a post-purchase flow. And number 5, do not forget SMS. SMS is gold. When people sign up for text, you can send them exclusive offers and welcome them. So there you have it. Those are your 5 core essential flows that you need in order to immediately start seeing more sales in your online store. You're going to be a secret weapon. I promise you. Try them out for yourself. And if you want to know how to build these flows or even more advanced flows for your e-commerce store, then be sure to follow for more e-commerce email marketing tips.